In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your availability hours in Calendly. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. So, let's dive right in. Calendly is a fantastic tool that helps you schedule meetings effortlessly, but to make the most of it, you need to customize your availability. Whether you're adjusting your hours for the week or changing them for a specific event, it's a simple process that can make a big difference in how you manage your time. First, you'll want to open your web browser and navigate to the Calendly website. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with your dashboard, where you can see all your scheduled events and bookings. Now, on the left-hand side of the screen, you'll find a menu. Look for the section labeled Availability. Clicking on this will bring you to the area where you can set the preferences for your hours. This is where the magic happens, so pay close attention. Once you're in the Availability section, you'll likely see a displayed schedule that shows your current hours. You may notice that there are certain days or time slots already set. This could be based on your previous settings or default values provided by Calendly, but we're looking to change those, so let's proceed. At this point, you can select each day individually to set specific hours. For example, if you want to change your availability on Mondays, click on that day, and you'll be able to edit the time slots. A user-friendly interface will pop up, allowing you to easily set your start time and end time for that day. You can choose whatever hours you prefer to be available for meetings. If you're a night owl or an early riser, this is the part where you can customize those preferences perfectly. Not only can you specify the beginning and ending times, but you can also specify different hours for different days. For instance, if you want to have longer hours on Wednesdays compared to Fridays, that's absolutely possible. Just make sure to repeat this process for each day you want to modify. In case you want to set specific time slots on a particular day or exclude certain hours for breaks or other commitments, Calendly has got you covered. You can add specific time intervals to represent the spots when you're available, or simply leave some hours blocked off when you're not taking any meetings. Once you have made all the necessary adjustments to reflect your desired availability, don't forget to click the Save button. It may seem like a small step, but if you overlook it, your changes won't be applied. Now that you've set your availability hours, your Calendly link will automatically update to reflect these changes. This means anyone who tries to schedule a meeting with you will only see those hours you specified. It streamlines the process for both you and the people trying to connect with you. And that's pretty much it. You've successfully changed your availability hours in Calendly. If you follow these steps each time your schedule changes, you'll keep everything organized and efficient. If you have any questions about specific features or functionalities within Calendly, feel free to drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. Remember, staying organized and maintaining clear communication about your availability can make all the difference in your work-life balance. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like